Sun Marina Bay Hotel on Booking.com. Desktop site, HD308. Mobile app, HD320. Same dates, same room. The gap is 60 Singapore dollars, 16%. If your rate parity monitor runs from a desktop residential IP, you're missing the mobile-only deals entirely. Hotel rate intelligence monitors room rates across direct websites, OTAs, GDS fed channels, and meta search engines. In 2026, the distribution ecosystem has consolidated around Booking.com, Expedia Group, Agoda, and Trip.com, plus direct booking and a long tail of regional players. Mobile proxies have become important infrastructure because hotels and OTAs serve different rates based on requesting IP, mobile context, and detected user signals. Accurate rate capture requires matching the audience the rate is shown to. 5 surfaces of rate intelligence pipeline tracks the rate parity context, why mobile rates matter contractually, and a working Booking.com scraper plus a parity breach detection engine. Direct hotel websites, official hotel and brand sites, Marriott, Hilton, Hyatt, IHG, Accor, OTA rates, Booking.com, Expedia, Hotels.com, Agoda, Trip.com, Klook, regional OTAs, meta search engines, Trivago, Kayak, Google Hotels, Skyscanner Hotels, channel manager outputs, SiteMinder, RateGain, Sending Fed rates, wholesaler and B2B rates, Beds Online, Hotel Beds, GTA Fed rates where accessible. Audits, each surface has different scraping characteristics. Brand sites are typically aggressive on anti-bot. Booking.com is moderate. Agoda is moderate aggressive. Trip.com is regional with stronger Asia anti-bot. Meta search engines aggregate other sources and often have looser direct anti-bot, but rate limit aggressive callers. Your rental cost. Rate parity is a contractual obligation hotels often have with OTAs, not to undercut OTA rates on their own direct channels. Parity is enforced via continuous monitoring. When OTAs detect a hotel offering a lower direct rate, they pursue contractual remedies, lower commission tiers, delisting threats, demands for parity restoration. The EU has limited certain parity clauses. The UK CMA has scrutinized them. In the US, parity is less regulated but still contested. Singapore's CCCS has not specifically targeted parity but applies general competition law. Mobile proxies in this context. Capturing authentic mobile app rates is essential because mobile rates often differ from desktop rates. Some hotels offer mobile-only deals. Some OTAs have member rate gating that depends on mobile app context. Rate parity monitoring needs to capture the rate at every meaningful surface, including mobile. Block, privacy, proxy choice, data center, low brand site success, low OTA success, poor mobile rate capture, residential, high brand site, medium-high OTA, partial mobile rate capture, ISP, high brand site, medium-high OTA, partial mobile rate, dedicated mobile, very high brand site, high OTA, excellent mobile rate capture, the KO. For Singapore Hotel Rate Intelligence, dedicated mobile from a Singapore carrier IP captures the rate that real Singapore mobile users see on Booking, Gascom, Agoda, Trip.com, Klook, and direct hotel apps. The gap between desktop and mobile rates can be 5 to 20% on competitive Singapore properties. Agoda Walking Booking.com scraper, Singapore mobile proxy plus a Samsung mobile user agent plus the selected currency parameter set to HDD. Production code passes listings, extracts per hotel rates per night, and stores by hotel check-in source for parity comparison. Common parity breach detection. Once rates are collected from all sources, the parity engine compares. Compare direct brand site rate against Booking.com and Expedia. If direct undercuts Booking by more than 5%, flag a breach. Real production logic accounts for currency conversion, tax inclusion differences, refundable versus non-refundable rate tiers, and cancellation policy normalization before declaring parity breaches. Member rates and gated pricing, or visible proprietarian. Many hotel programs gate special rates behind membership status. Marriott Bonvoy, Hilton Honors, IHG One Rewards. Capturing these requires authenticated scraping with member status accounts. Each member account ideally has a stable proxy assignment, similar to other multi-account workloads. Mobile proxies maintain consistency that supports stable login sessions. OTAs also offer member rates. Genius on Booking.com, VIP on Agoda, Trip.com Black Diamond. Similar dynamics apply for agencies running rate intelligence for hotel chains. Maintaining member accounts on key competitor programs gives full visibility. Each account needs stable infrastructure, proxy plus session plus two-factor auth for phone pitas. Singapore hotel market specific. The Singapore hotel market is concentrated around Marina Bay, Orchard Road, Sentosa, and the CBD. High competitive intensity for business and leisure travelers. Major chains include Marriott, Hilton, Hyatt, Shangri-La, Pan Pacific, Mandarin Oriental, Capella, plus many boutique properties. Scraping Singapore hotels from a Singapore mobile IP captures the mobile app rate that 60% plus of Singapore resident travelers see when booking. Desktop scraping from a Singapore residential IP captures a different and often higher price point. Cross-validation across both is the operational pattern. Kempi Singapore CBD properties, luxury and business district, update rates multiple times per day. Lower tier or remote properties update daily. Cadence depends on competitive intensity. Singapore Mobile Proxy gives you dedicated Singtel, StarHub, or M1 modems with real Singapore mobile IPs. 2-hour free trial, no card required. Point your hotel rate scraper at booking.com SG, Agoda SG, or a major Singapore hotel chain and capture authentic mobile app rates for 2 hours. Use code YT30 for 30% off your first paid month. Next video covers e-commerce price intelligence across Lazada, Shopee, and Amazon. Subscribe